Hello everyone, welcome back to another video by dutchpapergirl. Almost from the beginning of the build I noticed a small deviation, although I was trying to put the ribs together as well as possible. This resulted in tension on the model and the need to put an extra covering piece of paper on a lot of junctions. So that meant a lot of extra measuring and work. This was by far the most difficult paper pattern I put together. Really stressed me out. Unbelievable. This is a photo of the last part that should close the shell of the turtle. As you can see, I end up with a big problem, an extra of about 1 centimeter. Well, extra on the shell side, not obviously on the head side, because that fitted perfectly. A big problem. And because I had to solve the extra centimeter, I had to cut, measure, fit, measure again and again, and glue extra parts in order to be able to close the shell in a nice way and to attach the head as it was meant to. There's a positive side on all of this. I managed to get the head on, acceptable, and I really like the end result. Don't you? Well, I've spray painted it, and now is the moment of truth. How well did it stay on there? So, feels a bit like unboxing. Let's see. In case you're wondering, I used plastic you can use for your food as well, to cover up the legs and the head of the turtle. Wow, not too bad. Oh, pretty good. Yeah. Well, I'll show you when I've done the rest. And this is it. Well, I'm pretty pleased. Just a tiny bit there that went underneath it, but I could cover it up with another white part. But, well, the back. And in case you're wondering why I didn't make this one first, spray painted it and then attached the legs and the head, is because that isn't possible with this pattern. I bought it and I think that's a bit stupid. They advertise it with all kinds of colors for this part and the other part, but you can't make it separately because it's integrated in the pattern. So that's a minus for me. I was a bit disappointed when I found out, but hey, look at it. It's been 2 months hard working. Very hard. I had to adjust this part because it wouldn't fit. But that's it, the back. Now I'm going to look for a beautiful place to put it. And I'm curious if you do know another way to spray paint this without this leakage. I didn't want to put tape onto this paper, but maybe you have an idea, so please let me know. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye. If you're going to try and build this one, I wish you all the luck you can get. Have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.